Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Mare Hibre mein Jage, or as it is called Luk Chupna Jao Ji. Okay, the first step. For the first step, you want to sit on the ground with your left leg straight like this and flat, and you'll be on your right leg knees. Depending on what you're wearing, whether if it is a skirt or a lehenga, you will hold your skirt or lehenga like this, and if you're wearing just a salwar kameez or something else, please keep your hands like this. Then we are going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will swing your hips 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, when next music starts, you will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this step is, we will start by keeping your feet like this. You move your left leg ahead in a straight position, and then do 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the dipping step which we will do for the rest of the dance. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And you swing your arms as if you are clapping with both hands, back, front, back, front. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For the next music, do the same step, the dipping step, which is and take your right hand out like this to place it back on your shoulders. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4. Now do the same on the left hand side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, you keep your hands here and take this hand out, in, out, in, out, in. You can also keep it here depending on what you're wearing, and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be for 8 counts. In all this, the leg is the same, this dipping step. Now we will see it with music. After that, the first words, Luk Chupna Jao Ji. In Luk Chupna Jao Ji, you keep your hands here and keep the other hand like this. So your left hand would be palm facing downwards. Your right hand would be palm facing towards yourself with the outer side towards the audience. And we will not stand in front, but slightly, diagonal. Then you do 1, 2, 3, 4. So, Luk Chupna Jao Ji. After that, Man Geet Karao Ji.
लुक छुपना जाओ जी मन बीत कराओ जी
राजी क्यों तरसाए मोरे शक्ल दिखाओ जी. So 1, 2, 3, 4. With all this, again the same dipping step. 3 and 4. Here you take both hands and place it like this, with your right hand above the left hand and left hand near the right elbow, and your put mudra, open mudra like this, and you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For Shakal Dikhao Ji, you will make your palms face your face and the outside towards the audience and go 1, 2, 3, 4 with a little nakras. Don't forget the nakras. Okay? So Shakal Dikhao Ji.
अरे क्यों तरसावे हो मन सकल दिखावो जी.
So you go towards the audience. You take a round with your fingers and you place your left hand on your kamar and with your right hand you do 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, like I know. Now we'll do it with the music.
थारी शरारत सब जानू मैं चौधरी.
The next step is place your left leg flat on the ground with your right leg, take it in front and swing your body up, then place it back, up and back. So with your left leg behaving like a doorknob, you go with your right leg front, back, front, back. The hands would be up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what are we doing? We are taking our palms and up and down, up and down. You are taking a round with your elbows, just moving your elbows. So it goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Right?
अरसले उन्हें बंगा दी मैं कह लगे.
Then उसके बाद Mare Hivre. It starts with the Mare Hivre. In Mare Hivre, you have to go with the step would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn 1, 2, 3, 4. In this, what are the step is? 1, 2, the same step, the dipping step that we did, the same step in the front and in the back. Then on your left hand side, in the front and in the back. With that, it's this hand. So out and shoulder, out and shoulder, out and shoulder. So your hands are like this with open mudras and you're taking a circle around your body and bring it back. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay?
मर हिवड़े में जागी धोकनी रे चंदा में थारी चांदनी.
Then the next step would be 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. You keep your thumbs facing your shoulders and your hands straight with your elbows down and you shake, give small jerks of your shoulder. So shoulder roll, front, back, front, back, front, back. And the steps are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The same dipping except for you with the dipping you're giving slight hip rolls. So it is out and out, out and out, out and out, out and out. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. After that, stretch out your hands with your thumbs pointed upwards and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The same dipping but slower than the other step. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. – This hand goes up and down alternately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. – This hand goes up and down alternately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. – This hand goes up and down alternately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. – This hand goes up and down alternately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. – This hand goes up and down alternately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. – This hand goes up and down alternately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. – This hand goes up and down alternately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. – This hand goes up and down alternately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. – This hand goes up and down alternately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. – This hand goes up and down alternately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Okay, now we'll do it with the music.
हमारे हिवड़े में जागी धोकनी चंदा में थारी चांदनी मन दामन में बादी खुशी रे